Hello, this is Brandon from Software Engineering 1, and we are going to go over our semester project. I believe I'm going to be covering the gameplay GUI, which is mainly what I focused on throughout these 3 sprints. So we're going to go ahead and run the game here. Any second now? Okay. I don't know why that took so long. So, of course, we have our main menu with our many options. We're just going to go ahead and start a new game here. We were planning for each level to unlock as you clear them, but it's not looking like that's going to happen, but it's fine. You can just select all 4 levels. We're going to go into level 1 here. So, why are you there? Go away, please. Go away, please. Thank you. Alright. So, as you can see, we have this unit selection menu, and we have our map. The map is stored as a list of characters, and each character corresponds to a different type of tile. We have walls, which can't be moved on. We have ground, which is displayed in green here, and we have ally starting tiles, which is where our units are going to be placed. All the enemies on level 1 are just slimes. You can click on any of them, and they will be highlighted in white over here. You can see each one's stats, their HP, attack, defense, magic, and movement over here. And yeah, but of course we can't do anything yet. If we try to move, it says please select player unit. We don't have any player units yet, so that's what this screen is for. As you can see, we can choose a warrior, a knight, a rogue, a white mage, and a black mage. Let's go ahead and add one of each. Now you'll notice the unit number here corresponds to where they're going to start over here. So the warrior is going to be in the top left, the knight, then the rogue, if I do it like this. And if I skip one and come down here and put the white mage and black mage down here, then the white mage will be here and the black mage will be here. I'd like to have these numbered if I were to continue building this, I would definitely like to have these numbered or otherwise conveyed in some better way than just trial and error. You'll also notice this promoted button right here. If I try to promote all these units and hit confirm, it's going to tell me only 2 units may be selected for promotion. And it's not actually supposed to close like that. But that's fine. We'll just go back to the main menu and start over. So, we need to select our units. You can only have up to 2 units promoted. So we're going to create a second black mage and white mage because those are the most interesting ones to promote, I think. And we're going to confirm. So, as you can see, we left this tile blank, so there's nothing there. And now all of our player units are added here. The warrior has HP of 30, attack 20, defense 10, magic 10, and 3 movement. The knight has less movement and more defense, but less magic and same attack, sorry. The rogue has less attack and defense, has slightly more magic and a lot more movement. It can move 4 spaces. The mages, they don't have any attack or defense, but that's because they use magic for their attack. And the special thing about a mage's attack is that, of course, it'll avoid enemy defenses. So if you attack a very defensive enemy, like a golem, for example, they will not go down, or they will not survive the attack as easily. Now that's odd. Why is it a mage? Did I not promote that one? Yeah, whatever. So, well, actually, I do want to make sure that that's working right. If I promote a white mage, that is... Yeah, okay, I just didn't promote it. And we're actually doomed on this because a cleric can't actually attack. So let's go back. Alright, so the cleric, each class has a promoted class. The warrior promotes into a paladin, each promoted class, its stats are a little higher and they all move farther. And the 2 mages have, the black mage has wider range, while the white mage's attack turns into a healing attack. The white mage promotes into a cleric, black mage promotes into a sorcerer, rogue into assassin, knight into high knight, and warrior into paladin. So if we just promote this white mage here and throw these units in here. So I can come over here, we can select our command, we can move, attack, use a potion, we can wait, or we can pass our turn. If we move, you can see warrior moved up, warrior moved up, warrior moved up. We can move back, and we can move again if we change our mind on what direction we want to go. You can't move onto a tile with another unit on it, which includes your own. You also can't move on enemy units, of course. And it's actually not displayed. This probably should be displayed, but every unit has a different attack range. So a warrior has an attack range of 1. So if I were to move back here and try to attack this slime right here, it says the target is out of range. But if I move forward and attack, the slime has received 20 damage and the slime has fallen. And my unit is now gray, so if I try to move him now, he's already taken an action this turn. He can't do anything. He can't potion. He can't wait. So let's try the knight. Let's move with the knight here and attack this slime. Now the mage has a range of 2. So, if I move up here and attack this slime, I can reach it. And then we have... If I put this rogue and have him move up here, but I don't have him attack, instead I will have him wait and switch over to the cleric. And I'll have the cleric get into position here, and it'll pass my turn. So now all my units will be untapped. You'll notice the slime over here disappeared because he actually attacked me. If we come down here, it'll show that the slime attacks the rogue. The rogue received 15 damage and the rogue holds his ground. The rogue counterattacked. He attacked the slime received 10 damage and fell. Now it is my turn. You saw that the rogue took damage, so I'm going to send this cleric up. And we're going to use the attack command to heal the rogue. So if you go over to the rogue now, his HP is 30 out of 30 again. So now, the rogue can come down here and finish the fight by attacking this slime. We'll end our turn, and all enemies defeated, you win! Now if we go into, we do have other enemies, so if we go into level 2 here, let's just select a warrior and a black mage and a cleric. Let's go ahead and do that. We have some other enemies here. So we got an orc. We have a golem. A golem is where the mage really shines, because you see, golem has 15 defense, and the warrior only has 20 attack. So if I attack the golem, I'm only going to do 5 damage with the warrior. So we can try that here. It's not going to end well. And we'll have the mage move into position so that things work. And we're just gonna pass turn. So over here you can see the golem attack the warrior. And now it's my turn. So we're actually gonna have the warrior move out of the way, and the mage will attack the golem. Now the warrior can move back into place. Not attack, move. Move back over here. And he can maybe bait this orc over here. If we check that orc, its movement is 3, so it'll be able to reach us on the next turn. So if we bait it over here, we might be able to take it out pretty easily. So we'll just wait here and... Sorry, we'll wait. Might have my warrior wait. And then we'll have the cleric try to come over here. And we'll have the cleric heal the warrior, the damage the warrior took. Pass turn. So the orc came down here, he attacked our warrior, but since we healed the warrior, the warrior's fine. The warrior still has 20 HP. So we can have the warrior attack the orc again and take it out. Then the cleric can heal the warrior, and we can have our mage start advancing further. It'll pass our turn and go, and oh no! So it looks like the giant bat that was up here moved down and attacked us. It moved down and attacked us. We survived and took out the giant bat, but also we were attacked by the serpent. We got pretty careless there. So so now our mage is down, but that's fine because we still have our warrior and our cleric. So we will have our warrior move up and try to take action while our cleric moves over here. And pass turn. So you can see the serpent attacked the warrior. But it wasn't strong enough to do any damage because of warrior's defense. So, wait, we're gonna move. We're gonna send the warrior up here to deal with this guy. And we're gonna send the mage, sorry, not the mage is down. The cleric up here. And we're gonna pass our turn. And the giant spider attacked us and ended his turn. So since there is nothing else for us to do, we'll end our turn and we win. Finally, let's jump straight to, or I'll go ahead and take a look at level 3. There's nothing super special here. I'll just show we have specters, which aren't as fantastic as they're supposed to be. The original intention of these enemies is that they're supposed to move through walls. They're supposed to be able to occupy walls that normally other units can't move through, but we weren't able to implement that logic, so they're just like any other unit at the moment. There are also ghouls, which also are supposed to have special behaviors in that they're really weak enemies, but they would respawn 1 or 2 turns after being KO'd. We also have a warlock, which is a magic enemy, and a mimic, which also is sort of a remnant of an earlier concept where we were supposed to have chests that contained items, and mimics would initially appear disguised as a chest, but we didn't implement the item mechanic in time, so instead we implemented this potion mechanic. I'm just going to add a... Oh, sorry, let's jump into level 3 and let's just add a single mage here. I'll choose a warrior. We'll add a single warrior here, and we'll move this warrior up. Sorry, move the warrior up. And pass turn. A warrior received 5 damage and 10 damage. So this warrior has... Sorry, that's not right. This warrior has 15 HP. So we're going to use a potion, and that'll heal him for 10 HP. So now he has 25 HP. And that's actually supposed to tap him? Yeah, okay, he's already tapped. So that's a bit of a bug as well. That's fine. So I'll pass turn, and Mimic is down. Pass turn. Oh no, so we got taken out. Down here it says, the warrior has fallen, all units defeated, you lose. So you want to make sure that all of your units do not get defeated. And the final level here is sort of a castle theme. We're not super worried about how this goes. We have a couple golems, a couple of orcs, a warlock, and a warrior. The warrior is the one we chose, of course. So I'll just run through these and show where they all are. This level might be a little tough if you're not super careful, but if you're careful and paying attention, you can. Actually, I do want to show one more thing. This level is a good place to show this. If we put in a sorcerer or a mage, okay, if we move this mage out of the way, let's move him. So this mage can actually attack in a range of 2. So if we attack to the right here, oh, maybe that isn't programmed right. Never mind. We didn't cover anything. Whoops. Oh, no. That's right. That's right. I forget I said anything. I'm gonna redo that part. Edit this. Edit that part out. Okay, we're gonna add 2 black mages. Promote one of them. Let's promote this one. I got a little confused by my own dialogue last time, so here we're gonna show something special. We have a mage and a sorcerer, and these 1 block thick walls. So normally a warrior or whatever wouldn't be able to. You can't. I can't select this sorcerer and I can't move through this wall. The wall's blocking the way, but since a sorcerer has a range of 3, the wall doesn't actually matter, and I can actually just attack through the wall. As you can see, the sorcerer attacks the warlock. Warlock received 15 damage. The warlock didn't die. And he tried to counterattack, but I was out of his range. If we check the warlock, he does have 5 HP. And similarly, this mage, I can move the mage down. Oh, I can't actually reach that the way I did it here. That's fine. The mage only has a range of 2, so I'll just attack this golem here and pass the turn. For some reason, the warlock didn't move, but so yeah, the enemy behavior is a little bit buggy. The warlock should have moved over here and attacked my my sorcerer here, but for some reason he didn't. He just didn't want to today, I guess. But it shows the mimic moved up, right up, and attacked the mage and took him out. So the sorcerer here is going to attack that mimic. Pass turn. It's my turn again. Take out that sorcerer. Pass turn. And this is just going to show you just how powerful these advanced units can be. Attack this guy as well. The sorcerer is probably the most powerful one. There's definitely some balancing we need to do with these characters, and as well as the enemy AI altogether. We planned for there to be multiple enemy AI behaviors, but that never came to fruition, unfortunately. Attack this guy. And that's the end of the final battle. So, yeah, we definitely like to improve the AI some more. Add new AI behaviors to help deal with characters like the sorcerer. Add stronger enemies and possibly even boss fights and more levels, ideally. Because there's a lot you can do with a game like this, but unfortunately, we are a little bit limited. And I think I've probably already taken enough time with this. So it'll probably be edited down a little bit, but that's it for what I'm going to be covering. I hope you enjoy it.